when we develop trading strategies, we're looking for a consistent pattern to occur over and over and over again with some kind of win rate and profit factor associated with it. And so your results might be different based on how you manage risk and how you trade manually versus how you trade on an automated basis. But once you get to a point where you want to trade multiple things at the same time, I could never do it. There's no way I could switch between all these different charts and keep track of all my different trades at the same time. So automation becomes an absolute requirement if I'm going to have, a futures trading bot going that's in gold, one's on MNQ, one's on MES, one's on Euro futures, any of the currency futures, or even you can trade the dollar if you want to in futures. Even on multiple stock tickers, you might have a strategy running for Microsoft and one for Google and one for Tesla. It'd be very difficult to trade all of that at the same time.
There's also like when you're dealing with let's say a financial advisor or some sort of money manager firm, they're probably using an automated system to make the purchases for whatever you're doing. So you're just delegating that to another person. And you might be like, well, I don't want the headache of doing that on my own. But let's say there's a mix of assets that you are interested in. Maybe like, okay, I want to have some video game stocks. I want to have some AI stocks. I want to have some whatever. You might be like, well, I'm interested in this, and now I want to go ahead and manage that. But you don't want to sit there every day and pressing the button to make the trade. As soon as you have a set of rules that you go, hey, these rules, like Mike was saying, are consistent, then you can go ahead and set it up. And it doesn't actually negate the manual trading, because for the manual trading, there's all kinds of trading that I do that there's too many things I'm considering that I can't actually put it all within one strategy. Like it doesn't make sense for me to put it all within one strategy, because it could be that, oh, on a day where there's a lot of news and a lot of volatility, I would behave in one way, but on a day where it's not, I'd behave in a different way. I don't necessarily have the time or the skill to set up and go like, okay, these are going to be my 9 different ways of trading and activate them depending if these 19 signals are saying, well, then it doesn't really make any sense for me to do that.